Good evening, hope everyone's doing well. Welcome back to the channel, welcome on tour. So we're in the beautiful island of Rhodes, we're in the main town, and we're just having a wander around this evening and see what we see. It's our first time here, and we thought we'd take you along with us. Let's see what we're on. Don't forget to like, subscribe, all that fun stuff, share, and comment below if you've been to Rhodes. Is this your favourite Greek island? Is it on your bucket list? All of that stuff. And like I said, it is our first time, so we are exploring all of this as nomads. So we just came from Bar Street, had a few drinks there, had a little wander around, and we're now just kind of figuring out what there is.
Boys all up and about.
All boys doing their little chilling.
All singing away.
And say, "Wagwan!" Best Western Plaza Hotel. A lot more bigger hotels and resorts this side. As we was driving, so we got the bus from Falaraki to here. As you kind of come out of the little bit of Falaraki we're in, you come to more of like the super complexes and the bigger hotels, or resorts, whatever you want to call them. And this is definitely given a nice little town vibe, isn't it? More history. Ah, little caddies. A little bit more culture. Not that Falaraki isn't giving you that, but it's definitely more of like a holiday resort, isn't it?
Don't see the Greek.
No. Definitely sit here. It is late at night, so I would show you more of the historical side of stuff, but you've got more of like the ruins, the castle, and other bits here. And it's all for free. So you can just go wander around it, there's no charge, which is nice. We're just heading back to the main road town where we got the bus from. I thought we'd show you guys our little journey back. Yeah. That's a big building there, isn't it? Oh, looks like a church or something, doesn't it? Yeah, so just going back to the waterfront. This is where you'll get like your main big sort of boats to, like if you want to go to Turkey or any to sort of like the larger islands. Yeah, really pretty along here. Nice stained glass windows there, so there's this building, probably looks like a church, doesn't it? There you go. Right, so we'll take a little walk along the marina, I guess, and show you guys. Yeah, it does look like a church, got a big clock tower there. Gonna follow the lights.
That's this beach club actually.
Ah.
Got a massive party on it.
Right, okay.
So, when we came in on the plane, remember we saw it?
Yes, advertised, yes.
Yeah, okay.
Castle just in the background up there, but I don't think they'll be able to see that on the camera this time of night.
I don't think we'll be getting all the way around.
No. But yeah, it looks really cool, doesn't it? Yeah, you can see a lot more nicer architecture and stuff here. So yeah, we're going to take a little walk around the marina and go into the old town of Rhodes and show you guys what it's like in the evening. So it looks like there's a little market going on down here.
Say that like a question.
Well, it looks like it. We're going to see. Like I said, it's our first time here, so you guys are exploring as we explore. Ooh, fireworks. Don't know what it's for, but they're very pretty.
Crack market.
For us, it's the village taste. Falaraki, nothing's beat that so far.
Bit of corn.
Oh yeah, a bit of corn on the cob. So yeah, it looks like a little food court, doesn't it? Loads of different food stalls and options. Everything smells really good. Straight ahead looks like slushies, fresh juice. Some planes coming in. And then obviously you got all your boats and your excursions and stuff and all your sort of advertisement for that. Bit of ice cream as well. Yeah. What's that over there? Is that like nuts and stuff? Jewelry. More corn. Yeah, corn and nuts. Looks like some more. We'll have to go and have a look, won't we? Yeah. It sounds like someone's singing. Right, so we're going to cross over and go to where all the people are. So we've just come from this way. We've got all the food stalls and you've got the marina. Yeah, really big. So it's like a little collection of restaurants. You've got someone singing live. Nice chilled vibes. Got a massive bank there, Bank of Greece. So yes, that was a little tour around the marina at night in Rhodes Old Town. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share the content, it really does help. And don't forget to check out the other videos if you're interested in coming to Rhodes or any of the other Greek islands. We will also have Zante on there as well. We'll see you on the next one.